Okay, so today we're looking at CoolTrade. It's running in real time. This is an existing strategy that's been running for quite some time right now. And go from the top, you can see right here, this strategy has 5 stocks that are long positions and 5 that are short. I've been in a handful of these stocks for a while. I've entered some of the positions I entered, I closed out profitably right away. Others went against me, and after they'd gone against me, the auto trader each day, it would be scanning the market, looking at the add to position rules, and as rules came into effect, it added stock. So this one here added another lot of stock down here, roughly 24% from when I bought it. So this strategy is set to begin adding after 15% drops. However, if my rules are not in effect at the time, it won't add. So anytime after it drops 15%, if the rest of my rules are all, my add to position rules are also in effect, it adds. So you see up here, looking at the system activity, CoolTrade is constantly checking the rules to add more stock. So, see today, all the indexes are down. The Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, and E-mini are all down. So my shorts, a day like this is good. Your short positions tend to clean up, and your long positions take a bit of a hit. Well, since I started this strategy, the market's gained, significant ground, and my shorts have gone against me a good amount. So days like this are typically good for my account. So when you look at one of these existing strategies that's been run for a while, I just want to make a note of this. You'll see a bunch of red in the net P&L category. That's because the positions that I closed profitably are closed at the end of each day, and only the existing positions that are down will be seen in the auto trader. So then today's P&L is really what you want to look at right now for one of these days. And then over here, net P&L. This is a profit that hopefully gets, hopefully these stocks close out profitably today, and that's what I take off the table. So this strategy is chasing 8% profit goals with a 4% profit protection. So right here, this OSK stock is at 2.95%. It's close to my profit protection kicking in, but not quite there. Right here, TPC. Here's a good example. This stock went against me, and here it's added. It's gonna take some money off the table. So the stock doesn't have to get back to the initial price that I bought in at, or even halfway between these numbers if I dollar cost averaged. So say the stock never gets to that halfway point and just keeps wiggling. I'm taking small gains on those wiggles. And currently, if this goes up just another 1.5%, I'll take a small profit. However, if you think the stock is going to go up significantly more, something you can do with CoolTrade, you can turn off auto trading right there, and you can manually manage individual positions if you'd like, giving you extra functionality. So say you feel strongly that a stock is poised to go climb much higher, and you don't want to close just on that small 4% gain that you're looking for in the strategy. You think it's going to go 10%, or you just want to go out once it does get halfway there, you can do that too. And also notice it tells you the rule that's preventing it from buying again. And in this case, that's right here. That's a current bid price is currently less than the limit sell price. So I'm actually logged in right now remotely, so that's why you see this screen. I'll show you guys a sector screen right now. So this feature of CoolTrade shows you how the individual sectors are moving, and this one right here is pretty interesting. It looks like there's some fishy stuff going on here. Every sector was down except for basic materials over the last 5 minutes, and all of a sudden over the last minute all these are up. And looking at this every so often is pretty interesting. You'll see major changes in the market as the high frequency traders and the institutions are trading significantly at certain time periods, and it just goes to show you that they really move the markets and have total control over everything. So if you guys found that informative, and I'll check back in later in the day if it looks like these positions are going to close.